Okay, everybody. So, as promised, we're going to cover a whole bunch of Framer templates that I happen to really love. Many of these I bought. Some of these I've downloaded or accessed for free or remixed for free in the Framer language. And I'm going to show you some of my favorites that I think are really useful for those of us building tiny businesses that we hope make a big impact in the world. So, this is Shoply. Here's a example of what it looks like. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different pages for, um, for e-commerce oriented communities. I've removed a lot of the content, so you have to check out the main page. I think if you go to the checkout page on Lemon Squeezy, it's no longer there. But if you go to the guy who his name is Dean, and I think I'll provide a link actually on framerlove.com to his site. But he's got a bunch of great free themes. This one, again, I love for selling products. And I'll show you what I really like in particular for ebooks. This is a book that I wrote a while ago. As you can see here, under 5 million copies sold. It didn't sell so well. But nonetheless, you can actually dig into each one of these covers, and there is a sample, read sample button. So if you click on that, you can actually read content from the book that the author actually includes or that you paste in to the CMS, which really makes it a cool and pretty unique reading experience, especially for authors or folks selling, ebooks and things like that. You want to give folks a sneak peek of your content. You can see if you can buy it here. Oh, actually, the name of the guy's store, Dean, I forget his last name, but it's like base.supply or something. Again, I'll have a link to that in our community, but you can see, again, you can add all this like sort of chapter content or introductory content, much the way Amazon does, and it's quite actually cool and unique. All right, this again is called Shoply. I'll have a link to it. You can check out his other themes as well. They're all really cool, and largely they're free. Thanks so much. I appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for the next video.